This vehicle was a cream colored 3-stage Cadillac Escalade paint. Customer wanted a 2-stage Chrysler 300 2010 white on white. Okay, what is this, day 3? It's the third installment. The roof has been ripped up, placed rust inhibitor. What's it called, Anthony?
Rust inhibitor.
Rust inhibitor, okay. He's being a smart ass. Okay, this is Anthony. I think this is the 4th video I think I made on this. We finished epoxying the roof. Just to give you perspective, give you show how long this truck really is. I think it's like 28 feet long. It's Anthony trying to get down. What a pain in the butt this thing was. Okay, back to you. This is the first coat of us Rhino lining a Limousine. Top here. I don't know if it's coming out in the video here. It looks kind of rough here, but actually, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's still drying, but it looks pretty damn good for what it is. Remember, this had a vinyl top on it. And the problem with the vinyl top is that it soaks up so much water and it causes the roof to rust. And in this particular limo, the side railings were leaking into the cabinet, and so we decided to see, to try this out and see if this method would work. And so far, so good, actually. We're going to put a couple more coats on here. We're going to let this dry, put a couple more coats on here and see how it fills in. If not, then we'll probably go back to a vinyl top, but we figure we'd experiment. First layer of primer. After we taped the truck off, cleaned it up. Anthony Master, the painter. Okay, this is the final prep. But the floors down, created like a little mini booth here out of this 80-foot garage with a big industrial fan that will suck out most of the crap. So, but as you can see, it's a nice setup here. A little body work.